Hi everyone, it's me, Blue. So sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Things have been kind of crazy with like school and stuff lately, but a lot of things are going on and it's really scary because of the virus and stuff. Like my school is closed for a week and then probably another week, and like I have remote school learning, but it's still super scary. And when I went to the store, everything was like raided. There was nothing there, so yeah, that's scary too. So just like a check-in to see how you guys are doing. I understand if you are scared, but I'm here for you. So you can watch my videos and you could write to me. I'll write back. We're all in this together, you guys. So anyway, I was deciding on what I should do for the video, and I went to the store and everything was raided. There was nothing there, no hand sanitizers, all the soap was gone, and people are telling you that you need to wash your hands. For those of you who weren't washing your hands before, that's gross, but I realized what I should do for this video. So I'm going to show you how to make sparkly hand sanitizer. Let's get started. First you'll need aloe vera gel, glycerin, some measuring cups, spoons, and a bowl. Some body glitter if you want, but I like keeping things sparkly, so a little container to put it in. Essential oil, and I have witch hazel here. Alcohol works better, but if you're like me and you went to the store and there is no alcohol there, and the only thing you have around your house is witch hazel, then this is going to be your best bet. But just remember, this is not a replacement for washing your hands. Please wash your hands. Don't use this hand sanitizer instead of soap. So this is a really simple video, but just so you guys know, it's not going to be the consistency of store-bought hand gel, so don't worry if you're like, oh, I did it wrong, because 3 tablespoons of witch hazel, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, half a teaspoon of glycerin, 20 drops of essential oil, and however many shakes you want of body glitter. Now mix it all together. Now pour it into your container. So make sure you store it in a jar with a tight seal or a little squeeze bottle, and take it around wherever you go. And when you're putting on your hand sanitizer, people are going to be like, wow, your hand sanitizer is so fabulous, and you'll be like, yeah, thanks to Blue. So yeah, that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. And just so you guys know, everything is going to be okay. It's going to blow over soon, and it's all going to be fine. But if you're scared about it, you should talk to someone. And like, it doesn't have to be me. You could talk to like your parents or like your best friend or something. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that it's going to be okay. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!